Would you like to tell us about why you got into this and what your business is about?
Sure. Chiguru, that's our name of our business. Chiguru, it's a dream come true today. And basically, both of us, my husband and myself, both of us were in this corporate world, and we wanted to get rid of it. So, voiceover being my passion since my college days, I thought, okay, I want to do something in voiceovers. So then, again, we met a woman called Shilpa. I want to mention about her because it's because of her, because of a woman, we are here today, to be frank. So she gave us an idea of why not we open a small editing studio. It needn't be a full-fledged one when you started up, but end of the day, we are content that it is something of our own. We don't have to be, there's no much of dependency on another person or, basically a boss or whatever. We are our own bosses here. And we have the flexibility, we can do anything and everything, try it or experiment. We have the space for everything. There isn't any restriction as such where, you're bound to this particular time, you're bound to do only this, what I say, blah, blah. So mainly, this is how we started it. And I had no whatever towards the apparel stuff which we are running from almost a year. We started with the apparel stuff and we started getting an exposure to the exhibitions. So we went almost every weekend to the exhibitions where we met. It's just we spread this about our Chiguru studio. It was a word of mouth, as Carol said. It was just a word of mouth. We haven't done any marketing also in this. It's just a startup, and then we spread the word saying that we are going to open a studio. We're going to be into video editing, voiceovers, recording, and other stuffs. And we passed our card, and that's how people started coming. So particular minute where we got connected, that gave me an exposure to know what Vibha is all about. See, now that people are sharing, they're already into Vibha and they're sharing what Vibha is going to do for them or what they've learned from Vibha. And this is such a coincidence where we're doing a small video for Vibha, and it's such a coincidence that it's interlinked that it's for women entrepreneurs, and it's giving me a boost to go forward. People are sharing only after they get into Vibha, but now when I'm doing a video for Vibha, now I already know that they're so supportive for women entrepreneurs, and it's going to be a very good platform for me to motivational whatever to go forward. I would always love to stay connected with Vibha, not being selfish about it, but otherwise to know what exactly Vibha, how Vibha is supporting women, and because it's already given me a push to go forward, though I'm not into Vibha yet. As Ganesh questioned, what is stopping women? I have also faced this actually.
Yes, tell us.
Mainly, women aren't confident. I mean, some of them, not all. As many of them say, we need to be independent. Yes, we need to be independent, but at some point of time, basically, we need to know how to balance the family and what we want to, basically into business or whatever we are in. We need to know how to we need to learn how to balance, and that can happen only by the family support. And today I'm so happy that I'm getting every support from the family to do this, and equally my time is also given to the family, so that at both the ends contentment is there.
Right.
That's how, that is the main it has to be from both the ends. Like you can't just say that your family doesn't support me, I cannot go forward. At the same time, your support is required to the family. That is the most important thing. When you show something, the reciprocation is there from the other
Well
side.
said.
Superb.
Well said.
That's the main thing.
Very nice.
Nice nuance that she's captured.
Yeah, beautiful.
Because that's
Only when you give, you will get
also
back.
get
very
back.
much.
Yeah.
Very
And that's what Vibha is all about. Essentially we want the women to come to a point where they're not saying what can I get, but what can I give? How can I help you?
Yeah.
Because when you do that, the world starts opening up.
Opening
very much. You give and automatically it's
It will come back to
interlinked.
you.
It will
come.
take pulse. It will come. Yeah.
That's the first step. Expecting from the other person first is not at all the
And
right
it never
way
works.
to take it forward.
It never works.
You give and you will surely get it.
Die its natural death. Lovely.
Super.
Sheetal. Well said.
Thanks to Vibha again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much that it's given me a lot of confidence to actually go forward and
And
Not
thank
get-
you for being with us,
Yeah.
and helping us
Helping
right
us.
now.
And for also speaking now, speaking so freely,
Yeah, so effortless.
effortlessly, so naturally. Good.
Beautiful.